Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss BODMAS on fractions. Okay. Here are some examples. I'll solve one by one. Okay. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. As we discussed earlier, I told BODMAS rule, right? BODMAS means bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It will go in this order, but while division and multiplication have same priority and addition and subtraction have same priority. If in case of decimal division and multiplication, we'll go from left to right only. Even in the addition and subtraction, we'll go from left to right. I mean 4 plus 3 plus 5. Both are addition. Which addition should we do first? Left to right means first do these two, then resultant number will be added to the third number, means 4 plus 3 will give 7, 7 plus 5 becomes, then 7 plus 5 will give 15, sorry 12. Like this, if same priority, left to right, that's it. Okay, here addition, multiplication, which comes first? M comes first, right? So multiplication we have to do 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, get cancels, right? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, means 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, means this whole part gives as answer 1 by 2, means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which gives addition. Denominators are same, right? LCM will be 2 only. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 gives 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means 1, that's it. Okay, let me solve second question, which is 2 by 5 and 1 by 5, then into 3 by 4. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. This is second question, right? See here, let me write BODMAS. In BODMAS, we have to solve first bracket, then order. Order means 2 power n, n like these orders, exponentials, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, first bracket. Is there bracket? Yes, this is bracket. First we have to solve this part, which gives us 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Denominator will be 5 only, because as both have same denominator, LCM will be 5 only, right? Then you can see, to get 5 we have to multiply only 1, right? 5 into 1, 5 into 1, then only gives 5. So 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 1, 1. So that's why you are not multiplying anything. We will take directly if the denominators are same. Okay, 2 plus 1, how much? 3 by 5, means this whole part gives us 3 by 5. 3 by 5, next part into 3 by 4, which gives us 3 3s, multiplication means direct numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 4, 20, which gives us 9 by 20. This is the simplest form. Okay, next comes 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3, division 2 by 3. Let me write here 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3, division 2 by 9, right? See here, in BODMAS there is no bracket here, right? There is no order, but division is there, so we have to do first division, means this part we have to solve first. 1 by 3 division 2 by 9. As I told earlier, how to do division in fractions? First write the first part, this part, change the division to multiplication, reciprocal it. Reciprocal means just changing denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. 9 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, which gives us 3 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 by 2. This whole part gives us 3 by 2. So which basically gives 5 by 6 minus 3 by 2, right? Now comes the LCM, because denominators are not same. We have to make denominator same, then only we can add or subtract. So 2 comma 6, as I told earlier, this is the LCM method. To find LCM, start with prime numbers 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. We are done with 2 as we got here 1. Now 3 ones are, we are done with 3 also. This one also. So LCM is 2 into 3, 6. LCM is 6, right? Take LCM as 6. 6 how many times? 6 ones are 6. 2 how many times? 2 threes are 6. So 5 into 1, 5. Sorry, minus. Let me write it again. 5 minus 3 threes are 9, right? 5 minus 9, as I told in addition and subtraction, this is plus 5, right? Plus minus, different sign means just do the subtraction. Different sign, subtraction. Same sign, addition. Different sign means subtraction. 9 minus 5, 4. Which is greater? 9 is greater. 9 sign is negative, so minus 4 divided by 6. Still it is not in the simplest form. We can divide like 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it can be written as minus 2 by 3 as the answer. Try these two questions and we'll solve this one and this one. And 1, 2, 5 and these questions as homework. Let me solve third question. Let me write here. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 into 9 by 10. Okay. See here. First we have to solve brackets, right? As per BODMAS rule. So we will solve this part. This gives us, first we have to find LCM. LCM for 3, 6. We can start with prime numbers 2 3s are. 3 will continue. Let me take 3, 3 ones are. Means LCM is 2 into 3, which gives us 6. So LCM is 6. Here to get 6 I have to multiply 1. To get 6, 3 2s are 6, which gives 5 into 1, 5 minus 1 into 2, 2, which is final 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 2s are, which is 1 by 2. Means this whole part is 1 by 2 into 9 by 10. 9 into 1, 2 into 10. 9 by 20. Okay. And let me solve this also. Just I am giving examples like how can we apply BODMAS on the fractions also. Let me write that question first. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Okay, this is the question. See, as per BODMAS, we have to solve bracket first. So bracket is here, right, which gives 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10. LCM is 5, 10. 2 5s are 10. Continue the 5. 5 ones are. So 2 into 5, 10 is the LCM. So 10, 5 how many times? 5 2s are. 10 how many times? 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 1 ones are 1, 5 by 10. Not in simplet form. Let me convert it to simplest. 5 ones are 5 2s are, which is 1 by 2. Right? So this whole part gives us 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into this answer is 1 by 2. Now addition, multiplication. Which one first? As per BODMAS rule, DMAS. BODMAS. M first, right? Then addition. So first we will do solve these two. 3 ones are 3, 4 2s are 8. Then 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8. LCM is 8. 2 4s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3, which gives 7 by 8 as the answer. Like this we can apply BODMAS rule on fractions also. Please try to solve mentioned questions and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.